Down here in Brendan Doyle's in Athlone, County Westmeath, and I just taking a look around at the selection of his bikes. Sorry for not doing much blogging while I was actually driving, but the wind noise is quite high and the weather's not the best at the minute. Also, there's a nice selection of motorbike helmets, motorbike gear. He does servicing bikes and all that you might need, tyres and everything else. If there's any questions that you'd like to ask me about any of the bikes or any questions for Brendan himself, please leave it at the end of the comments. I will leave a link in the description for Brendan's shop as well, and the exact location. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this little video. I'm just going to take you for a walk around Brendan's showroom and just show you some of the fantastic selection of bikes that he has. He has a really good range of everything: sports bikes, sports touring bikes, muscle bikes. There's really something there for everybody. Hopefully you enjoy this little video. I'm going to put back onto the music now, so
Last night in my dreams, walking the streets of some old ghost town. I try to believe in God